Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the engine air filter in your Mazda CX-30. First, make sure your vehicle's engine is completely cool to the touch. You will need a new engine air filter, which you can easily find online or at an auto parts store, along with a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by opening the hood and locating the large black air filter housing, usually on the passenger side of the engine bay. Now, let's get that housing open. You'll typically find 2 to 4 metal clips around the perimeter of the air filter housing. Unclip these by pulling them outwards. Some models might also have 1 or 2 screws that need to be removed with your Phillips head screwdriver. Once all fasteners are loose, carefully lift the top half of the air filter housing. This will reveal the old, dirty air filter inside. With the housing open, you can now easily remove the old air filter. Take note of its orientation before pulling it out. It's a good idea to quickly wipe out any leaves, dust, or other debris that might have accumulated inside the housing with a clean cloth. Now, carefully place your brand new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and is oriented correctly, just like the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back into place, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the bottom section. Reattach all the metal clips you unfastened earlier, pushing them firmly until they click into position. If there were any screws, tighten those securely as well. Give everything a quick check to ensure it's all snug. You've successfully replaced your engine air filter. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.